What is that coming out of the sky now?
That's a bit of overspray from the car wash.
He's coming now, gentlemen. Here he comes now.
Oh, it's not gone well.
Oh, my God. Actually, now I come to think of it, this is the main reason I didn't buy an XR3.
No, I lost a couple of friends like this, actually.
And it's one of the reasons the insurance premiums were so high. It's because of this leaking issue.
Buoyed by yet another victory, we rolled on up our equivalent of Highway 1 towards Blackpool.
Good God, now this is something, if you're watching this abroad, it's something I've never seen before. Roadworks on a British motorway, that is unusual.
But then we were made to turn off Highway 1.
I don't know why the producers have made us come through Stoke rather than round it, but I'm mighty glad they did. We three can count ourselves amongst the 4 million tourists visiting Stoke every year. Okay. Car's beginning to smell like I need a picnic again.
What do you fancy? Oil? Sorry, biscuits?
No, I'm fine.
One of the more popular places in England is for a picnic. The reason is, that house there, you see the lilac one, 4 along, can you see that? Robbie Williams lives there.
You admired it for long enough?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's a good idea when you stop to check your engine's still there anyway. You may as well.
Just, you know, having a look. That's nice. Lovely. Better for seeing that.
Have you had your picnic?
I've had a lovely picnic and I'm absolutely full again.
Would you be needing a picnic again?
I reckon another hour or so and I'll want perhaps a quick